Experience.
We have the greatest message on the face of the earth.
Changes.
Jesus came and preached a new kingdom.
Everything.
This is our time. This is our day.
Experience Daystar.
The divine light of God has illuminated the human spirit and set a person on fire.
Top international ministries. Award-winning original programming. Contemporary network packaging. The biggest names. And more live events than any of its kind.
From Atlanta, New York, Chicago, Washington, D.C., Philadelphia, Miami, Jakarta, Rio de Janeiro, Beijing.
Every city in America and every country in the world.
Colombia,
India, Pakistan,
Venezuela, Honduras, Peru.
On cable, internet, satellite, DirecTV, Dish Network, and mobile phones.
Paris, Moscow, Cape Town, Sydney, Hong Kong, Kiev, Singapore,
India, Estonia, Finland, France, Germany. Every people,
every time.
every nation.
Daystar is the fastest growing faith-based network in the world. Daystar state-of-the-art facilities offer one of the largest special effects studios, 17 sets, high-end post-production, a top-of-the-line digital console, 2 audio suites, and an in-house recording studio.
We've gone to a great deal of effort to create something of excellence.
Daystar's on-air quality is second to none, and faith-based television will never be the same. Children, teens, today's generation. With over 100 national and international programs combining the biggest names of faith and entertainment, Daystar is tearing down the walls of denomination and race.
We must be vision-driven, not memory-driven.
Music, movies, events, inspiration. And it doesn't stop there. Groundbreaking original programming is what we're known for. Celebration, Joni, Gospel Music Showcase, and Check the Sound are just 4 of the standout hits in Daystar's award-winning lineup. Today's headlines, hard-hitting relevant topics, and much, much more. And now, Daystar is not only the exclusive 24/7 Christian network in Israel and Germany, but also the first and only to be carried on Cablevision to over 3 million homes in New York City.
Keep watching Daystar. Keep being blessed.
If you want to get closer to God than you've ever been before, you're in the right place.
The Holy Spirit is drawing people. God will never disappoint.
He always causes you to try.
I am who God says I am. I can do what God says I can do.
We are the army of God, and we are more than conquerors through Christ.
Entertaining high-quality programs, award-winning originals, every multimedia platform, and more live events from around the world. Everything is about to change. Daystar. Experience it.